Good morning, dear children. As we are done with the poem from lesson 5, A Legend of the Northland, now let's start doing the chapter exercise from the book. Thinking about the poem. Question 1. Which country or countries do you think the Northland refers to? Answer. The Northland may refer to any of the countries among Greenland, Norway, Russia, Canada, etc. Question 2. What did Saint Peter ask the old lady for? What was the lady's reaction? Answer. Saint Peter asked for one of the cakes the little woman had baked. She was a miserly, greedy person without any kindness or pity. She did not want to part even with the smallest cake she baked. Question 3. How did he punish her? Answer. Saint Peter cursed her to become a woodpecker as a punishment for being so selfish. He felt that in the absence of human values, she did not deserve human life. Question 4. How does the woodpecker get her food? Answer. The woodpecker needs to bore all day long in the hard, dry wood of the tree trunks to get itself some food. Question 5. Do you think that the old lady would have been so ungenerous if she had known who Saint Peter really was? What would she have done then? Answer. I don't think the old lady would have been so ungenerous if she had known who Saint Peter really was. She would have given him as large a piece of cake so that she could please him in order to get a reward. Question 6. Is this a true story? Which part of this poem do you feel is the most important? Answer. No. This is not a true story. It is a legend. The part of the poem that according to me is the most important is, and he said, you are far too selfish to dwell in a human form, to have both food and shelter and fire to keep you warm. This shows that we must do good things for humanity as we are capable of doing so in a human form. We should have gratitude for having food, shelter and fire. We should be generous to people. Question 7. What is a legend? Why is this poem called a legend? Answer. A legend is a mythological story which is passed on orally from generation to generation. There is no evidence to prove its accuracy, but it still remains in circulation for its instructive values. This poem is called legend because it is the story of Saint Peter and the old woman from the ancient times. Its historical origin cannot be proved, but it teaches the lesson of love, kindness and charity. Question 8. Write the story of A Legend of the Northland in about 10 sentences. Answer. A Legend of the Northland. Once, Saint Peter was feeling very hungry and he asked for some cake from an old lady. He asked if she could give him a piece of cake to eat. The lady was very selfish. She kept reducing the size of cake as she felt that the size of the cake was too big to be given away as alms. At last she did not give him any cake. Saint Peter grew angry and cursed her to become a woodpecker. He said that from now on she will have to bore dry, hard wood in order to get food. All her clothes got burnt in the chimney, and till this day woodpeckers bore all day long for food and water. So keep your work updated, children. Keep all the notebook work done. Thank you.